Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Gmail in laptop Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to install Gmail in laptop Windows 11 from Chrome. Let's start by opening Chrome. There you are going to click on the Settings menu, and in the Save and Share line, select the Create Shortcut option. After this, assign the name you want, and you must check the box Open as Window. When you click Create, you will see that Gmail will open as an application. Chapter 2. How to install Gmail in laptop Windows 11 from Edge. First, open your Edge browser. You are going to open the settings, and in Apps, select the option Install this site as an app. You can leave the name as default and then click on Install. Wait for it to install, and you will see that Gmail is now an application on your computer. Chapter 3. How to uninstall Gmail in laptop Windows 11. Let's click on Start and select Settings. In Apps, click on Installed Apps. Locate Gmail, click on the three dots, and then Uninstall. Confirm this by selecting Uninstall again and wait for this step to complete. If you have another Gmail application, it depends on the browser. Again, click on Uninstall and confirm the action. In the pop-up window, click Remove. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.